Two popular mid-range contenders at a budget of under 18,000 pesos. Today, we're putting the HONOR X9d 5G and the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G head-to-head in a proper battery marathon. With the amount of things we do on our smartphones every day, from endless scrolling and video streaming to even gaming and productivity tasks, battery life has become one of the most important decisions when choosing a new device. So the big question is this: which of these two phones can actually keep up without constantly needing to top up to recharge? Well, let's find out. First up, the specs. The HONOR X9d 5G features a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display capable of reaching up to 6,000 nits of peak brightness. It runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chip, which is built on a 4nm process. And the real highlight here is its massive 8,300 mAh silicon carbon lithium-ion battery pack. It supports 66-watt wired charging and 7.5-watt reverse wired charging to help out your friends. On the other hand, the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G sports a slightly larger 6.83-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with up to 3,200 nits of peak brightness. Powering it is the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra, also built on a 4nm processor. It packs a 6,580 mAh silicon carbon lithium-ion battery as well, but supports 45-watt wired charging along with 22.5-watt reverse wired charging. On paper, the HONOR clearly has the bigger battery, but real-world results are what truly matters. Starting off with PCMark's Work 3.0 battery test, which simulates real-world productivity tasks such as browsing, writing, and light image editing. In this benchmark, the HONOR X9d lasted 17 hours and 23 minutes, while the Redmi clocked in at 17 hours and 18 minutes. Despite the significant difference in battery capacity, the results were surprisingly close. HONOR wins in this first round, but only by a slim 5-minute margin. When it comes to everyday use, such as browsing the web and scrolling through social media for market research, the difference becomes a lot more noticeable. The HONOR X9d lasted 25 hours under our test conditions, while the Redmi Note 15 Pro managed only 20 hours. Here, the larger 8,300 mAh battery of the HONOR starts to flex its advantage. So that's another win for HONOR in this second round. But how about gaming? We tested both devices using Mobile Legends, playing under similar settings and brightness levels. Interestingly, both phones delivered identical endurance, lasting 10 hours each before needing a recharge. This suggests that both chipsets are well optimized for casual gaming sessions. So for this third round, well, it's a tie, making the current scorecard 2-1 in favor of HONOR. Streaming video content is one of the most battery-draining activities for smartphones today. In our YouTube streaming tests, which we did over Wi-Fi and not downloaded videos by the way, the HONOR X9d delivered an impressive 50 hours of video playback. Meanwhile, the Redmi Note 15 Pro, under similar conditions, only lasted 20 hours. That's a massive gap, giving the HONOR a very significant edge for users who want to binge videos online for a lot longer. So for video streaming longevity, HONOR definitely wins. Last but not least, battery life is only one part of the equation. If we want a better picture, charging speeds matter too. In our wired charging test from 0 to 100%, the HONOR X9d took 1 hour and 11 minutes to fully charge, despite being rated at 66 watts. The Redmi Note 15 Pro, rated at 45-watt wired charging, completed a full charge faster at just 54 minutes. Suffice to say, despite being able to top up faster with the Redmi Note 15 Pro, the HONOR X9d does feature a larger battery capacity. Remember that. This means, even if the Note 15 Pro gives us faster charging speeds, the HONOR X9d will last longer without having to charge in the middle of the day. But for this round focus on charging speeds, well, the Redmi wins. The HONOR X9d in its 12 plus 256GB configuration is priced at 16,999 pesos, while the Redmi Note 15 Pro with 8GB plus 128GB of storage retails for 17,999 pesos. From a battery perspective, the HONOR X9d is clearly the better choice for users who prioritize endurance. It's ideal for people who travel often, work long hours, or simply don't want to worry about carrying a power bank with them. The Redmi, meanwhile, makes a strong case for users who prefer faster charging times and stronger reverse charging capabilities. And for practically the same amount of money, we also get double the storage capacity with the HONOR X9d. If battery life and durability matter most to you, the HONOR X9d 5G is hard to beat. Its massive 8,300 mAh silicon carbon battery consistently delivers longer endurance in real-world scenarios, especially in productivity and video streaming tests. While the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G charges faster and keeps pace in synthetic benchmarks, the overall battery marathon clearly favors the HONOR. But which one will you guys pick in this comparison between the HONOR X9d 5G and the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G? Let us know in the comments below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video or found it informative, drop a like and subscribe to watch more. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms, that's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok. By the way, you can read our full review of both devices now live on the Yucatec website and also on the Yucatec channel. Once again, this has been Ase. I'll see you guys in the next video. And these two has been the HONOR X9d 5G and the Redmi Note 15 Pro. Bye!